everybody. Today we're going to be looking at 14-5. This is measuring liquid volume. Now, the solvent share says to use a marked 1 liter beaker, but I know not everybody has that. So for this one, just put them in order. Just put numbers on them, 1 through, there's 7 items. So 1 through 7 and number them the smallest to the biggest, okay? Because the rest of the activities in the book are not going to follow that kind of activity. It's going to be measuring with beakers. Now, I'm not going to give you the answers to all the book pages because they're not hard. They're actually really easy, okay? So I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do. Now, I made this with a sheet protector. I drew it on the paper and then I slipped it in there. But at home, I know not everybody has sheet protectors, but you can use ceramic cling film, or you can do a Ziploc bag and draw on a piece of paper and slip it into the Ziploc bag. Also, you need a dry erase marker, but you can use Crayola markers too and just draw it on there. You just have to wipe it off, okay? So, so what I did was, and I'm gonna flip this around, I drew a beaker to show you how to do the workbook page. Because in the workbook, you have to add the different beakers together. Now, if it says 1 liter, it's just 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That would be 4 liters, okay? But what if it goes up until a little notch? So this is going to be a really quick lesson because it's really easy, okay? So this is 1 liter. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. And the milliliters, remember I showed you on another video, it's just a little bitty tiny bit of liquid. Now on the beakers in your book, they are divided into, I have 2 beakers. They are divided into 10 little notches, okay? So each notch equals 100. So this is 100 milliliters, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1 liter, which is also 1,000, okay? So if I had liquid right here, okay, that would be 400 milliliters. And if I have 2 of them, that would be 800 milliliters, okay? So now I'm gonna erase it, okay? If I have some liquid inside of a beaker and it's 1 notch above the 500, well, 100, well, 1 plus 5 is 6, and it would be 600 milliliters. So this would be 600 milliliters of liquid, okay? Now, in your book, I'm going to show you in another example part at the top. In your book, you have these little tiny beakers, but we have 2 full ones, 2 full beakers. So 2 full beakers would be 2 liters, plus a beaker that has half full, half of the beaker is filled with liquid. So that would be 500 milliliters. So you just write 2L and 500 ml, and that's it, okay? And this little beaker right here, and this is just in the example at the top, this is up to the 1, 2, 3. So this one would be 300 milliliters or 300 ml, okay? So what you're doing in the book is you're going to be adding up the beaker amounts, okay? And moms and dads, y'all can practice on your own filling up the beakers, and you can draw more than just 2, and you can practice adding them together on a Ziploc bag or something that's dry erase, or you can even use regular washable markers. It just, you have to wipe them off, okay? And that's it. Really quick, really simple. Okay, see y'all later.